Hey guys, I'm Kassy, and my goal is to help you streamline your home so you can get an extra 7 hours in your week for yourself. There are 4 main pillars to having a completely streamlined home. If you do any one of these pieces, you will experience some stress relief, you won't be as overwhelmed, and you will probably have more peace in your home. But it's when all 4 of them are working in harmony together that the real synergy happens and your house is truly ticking along like clockwork. So the first important part in a streamlined home is having a manageable amount of clutter. And that means if you have too many things in your home, you need to declutter it. This will immediately help you spend less time cleaning, less time picking up after yourself and everyone else. Your stress level will dramatically decrease and you will immediately get some time back in your week. The second important part of streamlining your home is to establish effective routines that keep your house running on autopilot and really have everything running like clockwork. Because even if your house is decluttered, it isn't going to clean itself, and you still have to put in a little bit of time cleaning. But with effective routines, you can actually cut your cleaning time in half. That is what happened to me, and that is what I would love to show you how to do. I think we all would much rather have effective routines in place so that we can smoothly go through our week, getting the cleaning done when we need to, and spend that extra time doing pretty much anything else. The third important piece is having a meal plan that you can set and forget. If you're anything like me and you don't like traditional meal planning week after week or month after month, then you are probably going to love a set it and forget it meal plan. This is where you create your meal plan using theme nights, using rotations, and once you have everything in place, you actually don't have to meal plan again for at least a year. And even then, it's only if you want to. If you never want to meal plan again, you don't have to. The fourth important piece of having a streamlined home is having a budget in place that allows you to really be in charge of your money and not the other way around. Now, I put this piece last because it can take the longest amount of time to see results, but that doesn't make it any less important or any less worth doing. Honestly, creating a budget that worked for our family, that allowed us to pay off our debt and save for our future, was what made the biggest difference in my husband and I being able to live the life of our dreams. Now, when I say the life of our dreams are probably pretty different than a lot of people's out there. But what we really wanted was for me to be able to stay at home when we had kids, and when we had a lot of debt, that was not even on the table as an option. So those are the 4 pieces of a streamlined home. And I hope that this has inspired you to streamline your home. If you would like more information about how to get started on this journey, I have a Streamline Your Home quick start guide that I will leave a link to in the description down below. It is completely free and it will get you started streamlining today. I am so excited for you to start on this life-changing journey. And if you have a minute, I would love to hear in the comments what you are planning on doing with your 7 extra hours a week.